let's get into it. We've got some other environmental hazards that are very common on exams. Let's jump into it. So now we completed lead. The next one is asbestos. And what I want to do is just go through little bits of information, a few bullet points for each one of these. And I think that that's sufficient for us to be able to get through the exam. Number one, asbestos. Asbestos is a material formerly used in buildings to aid in the insulation and fire resistance, have really good heat resistivity properties. The things that we want to know. Number one, typically found in floor tiles, roofs, furnaces, plumbing, appliances, fireplaces, and window caulking. So the danger occurs when the product disintegrates through normal wear and tear and is or disturbed and becomes airborne dust. And when it becomes airborne, in essence, inhaling this dust causes lung diseases and cancer and is primarily the cause for something called mesothelioma, which is a type of cancer. Handling and the removal requirements are mostly dictated by federal law for asbestos. Now, homes built prior to 1980 often contain high levels of asbestos. We don't need to know much more than that. And then the only extra thing there I would add is asbestos is highly friable. And that phrase friable might be in a test question. Friable means that as it breaks down, its fibers become easily airborne and they float around for a very long time. So asbestos is highly friable. Now, the other thing too on real estate examinations, a real estate agent is not required to know what asbestos is or any of these environmental substances. So just a tip, remember, if it says a real estate agent has identified something that could be an environmental issue, the job of the real estate agent is to point that out and encourage an inspection. And that's the job. Now, if you know that it's asbestos and you've been told that, then you must answer that regardless of whether you are asked, is that asbestos or not. It's a material defect, and all material defects that could adversely impact health or safety needs to be disclosed. And it doesn't have to be prompted with a query. So we just have to, hey, the sellers told me that this thing has asbestos, and that's basically how that works.
If you're studying for your real estate exam right now, or if you're looking to level up your real estate knowledge,
don't forget to like and subscribe.